It's time to introduce something new and exciting. I'm proud to announce the launch of the Premium Drone Community. Now, Pilot Institute offers a lot of great courses, Part 107, photography, videography, mapping, real estate, business, to only name a few. Once you learn those skills, how do you get to work? How do you turn that into a business? Well, that's the question we get asked the most. And the Premium Drone Community is the answer to that question. Now, the overall mission of Pilot Institute is to help people achieve their aviation dreams. Over 99% of Pilot Institute students pass their Part 107 first time. And we're proud of that. But the journey doesn't really stop here. If you want to learn cinematography, mapping, real estate, or search and rescue, we have courses for all of those. Our team will continue to put out all of these courses to hone your skill, and that's not going anywhere. Now, the Premium Drone Community is a place to learn how to use those skills to get paid work, and when you're ready, start a business of your own. Now, we want to help you be successful and fly commercially. Now, whether it's part-time or as a career. In the Premium Community, we are releasing ongoing content every month from working industry professionals. We cover every subject with insight on how to break into any field that you're interested in. And we're not talking about just a recorded Zoom call with a few folks here. We fly experts to our studio for professional recording quality. Now, if your dream is cinematography, we have guest instructors who've worked for feature films, Netflix, Amazon, music videos, and high-end commercials. Now, if real estate is your passion, we have instructors who can teach you how to make a living like they do. Mapping, surveying, and modeling is also huge right now. We have successful business owners who manage multiple teams, and they will tell you how they've made their dream a reality. The content covers pricing your services, which drone to start with and which one to upgrade to, how to start a business, handle financials, skills you need to practice and master, how to work with clients, that's an important one, and then also how to manage employees, market your product, and so much more. These are the classes and workshops that you're going to use to master your craft. Bottom line, our goal is to help you succeed. Also, if you're a fan of our weekly news update, but you long for more in-depth analysis, the Premium Community members have access to our post-flight show. There, Jason, Ben, and myself discuss all the current topics in more depth, including personal opinion that we don't include in a shorter news update. And of course, we're still committed to bringing you the same free content on YouTube and the same high-quality, free and paid courses that you've come to know and love. You'll also get access to exclusive discounts, live meetings with subject matter experts, and early access to courses. This is a space where you can ask questions, get feedback, and also suggest future content that we can tailor to you and your personal experience. We're making this page for you, the working Part 107, those that are looking for work, or anyone that wants to expand their skills and their knowledge. Now, Part 107 is step number 1. Step number 2 is learning an industry skill. Step number 3 is going to be the Premium Drone Community, taking that skill to the next level and putting it to good use. Now, if you've taken any Pilot Institute courses, free or paid, you already have access to the community for free. And if you haven't joined yet, head over to community.pilotinstitute.com. You'll find over 40,000 colleagues that are waiting to welcome you. And then also have a look at the premium version. And if you have the drive, you'll discover the value that it offers. I look forward to seeing you there.